Chefs aren't just about recipes. They've got tricks that make cooking easier, faster, and tastier. Today, we're revealing 5 kitchen hacks chefs swear by. And yes, they actually work. Hack number 1. Tired of your cutting board sliding around? Place a damp towel underneath. Chefs do this in professional kitchens every day. It keeps the board stable and your fingers safe. Hack number 2. Chefs never drain pasta without saving a little of that starchy cooking water. It's liquid gold for creating silky sauces, from carbonara to pesto. Hack number 3. Not sure if your oil is hot enough to fry? Dip the end of a wooden spoon or chopstick in the pan. If bubbles form, it's ready. If not, wait. No more soggy fried food. Hack number 4. Chefs treat fresh herbs like flowers. Trim the stems, place them in a jar of water, cover loosely with a bag, and refrigerate. Basil, parsley, cilantro, they'll last days longer. Hack number 5. Forget peeling garlic clove by clove. Place the flat side of a chef's knife on top, press firmly, and the peel slips right off. It also releases more flavor when cooking. So there you have it. 5 simple hacks chefs swear by that actually work. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more kitchen secrets revealed. Next time on Secret Flavor, the 7 biggest cooking mistakes and how to fix them like a chef.